Hi YouTubers, welcome back. This is part 8. I just finished up the grab rails and I'm starting on the portholes. See figure 45. This is pretty unique. It says 220 mark the locations for the 8 cast portholes. It gives you the number of them. 221 attach the portholes at each location marked. No problem, right? We'll go ahead and start with the left side or port side. Seems pretty simple and basic. So if you want accuracy and detail, this is one of the portholes that came in the box. And I found out they're all different sizes. All 8 of them, they're all different sizes. So my porthole lengths are all different sizes. Okay. So the drawing depicts on figure 45, 0.330, and this will give your K factor around 586, 0.586. So I made them all to 0.580 using the jeweler's files. This was the 580 here. And be careful, it's only pot metal. Clean them up the best you can. I calculated on figure 45 a space of 0.125, around 1/8 of an inch between the portholes. So the 0.125 times the K factor will give me a figure of 0.222 between the portholes on the cabin. Not quite 0.250 or 1/4 of an inch, but between 7/32 and 15/64 of an inch. And so there you go. Here's your portholes on that drawing, figure 45. Attention to detail. One last little shorty video, and went ahead and put one of the portholes on. And here's that spacer I made, 0.222. And that'll go in between each one. And then go ahead and put your next one down. Of course, it will be correctly aligned. Looks like some guy with a long nose. Thanks again, YouTubers, for watching part 8 of the U.S. Coast Guard Fast Response Cutter by Dumas Products.